Hi, okay, today I'm going to show you the Prezi presentation I made. So this would be for a soccer unit in my physical education class. And as you can see, I have the 5 different categories. I think also this fits well, like this template, because it kind of looks like soccer balls. So if you click on the first one, it says why soccer. Just kind of gives an overview, and here I would talk more to the class about what soccer is. If I advance to the next one, it goes to rules. Here's the link that I've embedded. I can click here and it will take me to this website that has the 17 laws of soccer explained. I can go through here. If I continue to go to my presentation and go to the next one, I'd go to shooting. Here with this picture, I'd explain more to my students the correct form of shooting, and have them demonstrate like in this picture. Next, I'd go to passing. Once again, here's a picture, and maybe I'd set up a drill just like this one and have kids pass back and forth and show them the correct form. And lastly, I have dribbling, and here, if you click here, there's a video explaining how to dribble a soccer. So there's that example. Um, I'm going to escape now from my presentation, go back to overview, and one of the requirements was to leave a comment. So here, with what I've done, it doesn't allow me to leave comments, but if I was to do that, I would insert a comment here. Okay, thank you.